Experience the perfect blend of classic charm and modern upgrades with this meticulously restored 1986 Jeep CJ7. Brought back to life by Palm Beach Customs in Ocala, Florida, this beauty features a brand new steel body finished in sleek BMW Brooklyn Gray. The black weather-resistant bucket seat interior, complete with the locking console, promises comfort and security on any adventure. Under the hood lies an AMC 304 cubic inch V8 engine, equipped with a 4-barrel quick-fuel carburetor and Edelbrock aluminum intake, paired with the Borg-Warner 5-speed manual transmission and twin Dana 44 axles with 2.73 gears. This Jeep delivers both power and smooth performance. The dual stainless steel exhaust with Patriot headers and Magnaflow mufflers ensures a robust, thrilling sound. Handling is a breeze with power steering, and the Dana 20 transfer case provides versatility for any terrain. Enjoy modern conveniences like air conditioning, updated gauges, and an AM/FM CD stereo system. This CJ7 stands tall on 15 by 8-inch Vision Manx wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires, complemented by tubular front and rear bumpers, and a new soft top for added style and protection. With detailed restoration photos included, this 1986 Jeep CJ7 is a timeless package of nostalgia and capability.